Hello again and welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna make a Himalayan salt car charm. Grab the 4 longest cords and insert it through the wood ring. Find the center by bringing all the ends together and tie them with a gathering knot. So you basically make a U shape and place it over all the strands that you are intending to wrap. And you take the long end and wrap it around all of the strands, trapping the U shape. Keep wrapping about 5 times. And take the long strand and pass it through the U. To complete the knot, pull the shorter strand, which will trap the longer strand underneath the knot. Cut the extra strands and tuck them in for a nice, clean gathering knot. I like using my trusty old macrame board to make my life easier, but if you don't have a macrame board, you can always tape it on the surface that you're working on. Now I'm just trying to separate the strands since I want a neater look, but it doesn't have to be in order. Now take your dowel and tie double half hitch knots. Make sure you're holding the dowel firmly and tying the double half hitches tightly to achieve a straighter and neater look. So you just basically wrap the string up and around the dowel, up and around the dowel one more time. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward, and I'll see you in the next step. Once again, we will tie a gathering knot to create that beautiful diamond pattern. So I just flipped my work over and tied a gathering knot from the back so it looks neater. Now I'm gonna divide the strands into 2 and tie a tie knot. So I'm gonna grab the left strand over to the right and under both strands until I see a well-defined loop on the left. Then I'm gonna insert that working cord through that loop and pull it tight while I make sure that I know what size the hole is going to be. So as you can see, I'm only tightening the working cord while I hold the right strand firmly. If it's too fast for you, you can always tap the screen and tap or click on the 3 dots on the upper rightmost corner of the screen to adjust the speed of this video. So I ended up making 4 rows of the tie knot. If your rock is bigger, you may add more rows, or you can adjust the size of the mesh or the holes. So now I'm just pushing the rock while adjusting the mesh. And once you're happy with how it looks like, you can secure it with a gathering knot. We're almost done, and now I'm just gonna cut the extra strands and tuck them in to make them look neater. And I'm also gonna cut the tail a little bit shorter. You may tie barrel knots or overhand knots to add more details to your car charm. Then I'm gonna tie a lark's head knot through the ring so I can hang it in the rear view mirror. And I'm even gonna add a wooden bead to add a cute little detail to my car charm. Then I'm just gonna tie an overhand knot to keep it simple. And you're done! Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed making this car charm. If you did, please let me know by liking this video, leave some comments, subscribe, and please hit the bell to get notified for the next one.